there, guys. I wanted to just explain the pre-assessment and how we're going to use it. So here are the directions right here. And as we watch the film, you were using the note-taking sheet to take notes in relation to the skills below. Now that we've finished the film, you're going to take what you did on the note-taking sheet and you're going to answer the unit questions below and assess yourself using the rubric. So for instance, number 1 is about inference. It says to identify a part of the film that's left uncertain or vague, provide film evidence that shows this part of the film to be uncertain, and why do you believe that part was left uncertain? If you go back to your note-taking sheet, these were the questions in pink right here. So all of your notes here, you compile them together, right? All 4 boxes, you compile them together to put your pre-assessment answer here. Be sure to write in complete sentences. When you're done writing, you want to evaluate your response using the rubric below. For this, you're going to use the highlighting feature. So let's say that you think you got a 3. You highlight, go to the highlighting feature up here, and pick whatever color you'd like. The second one, and of course you want to explain why you gave yourself that score. The second one is on the second page, which is about central ideas. Again, if you click back to your note-taking sheet, these are all in green. So that's these 3 boxes, right here in green. So you take these answers and you compile them together to formulate your answer for the pre-assessment here. When you're done with that, you use the highlighting feature again to self-evaluate and explain your answer here as to why you evaluated yourself with that score. If you continue down to the 3rd page, you'll see the 3rd question, which is about the claim of the film. So the overall idea, the overarching message that the film or the director or the writer was trying to give us. Describe how the supporting details of people, events, or ideas were used to develop the claim, and include how the claim evolved over the course of the film. Remember here to use information from the beginning, the middle, and the end, because that's the course of the film. Go back to your note-taking sheet, and that's all these purple boxes that you took notes on. So what is the overall message? How were the people, places, events, ideas, and experiences used? So these are the supporting details. And then how did they evolve throughout the film? And how did they work together? With, of course, direct evidence. So your note-taking sheet is really going to be your guide here as to how to do this pre-assessment. When you're done formulating this answer, you want to do the same thing of self-evaluating and explaining your rating here. At the very bottom, this is your exit slip for the day. You want to rank your abilities 1 through 5, with 1 being in need of improvement, and 5 is a mastered skill for the following skills. Would you give yourself a 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1 for all the skills and explain? This will help me to guide your instruction and which ones you still need to work on prior to the rating assessment at the end of the marking period. Let me know if you have any questions.